What's going on, my good people? I'm back with another one. Full day of eating, high protein, lean bulking diet. Let's go.
Exchange for gains. Join that gym, get lost at the moment. Let's turn that to a lifestyle. We ain't getting in the young.
Before completing any form of workout, I like to take an electrolyte. Although I start my workouts early in the morning, the electrolyte gives me literally a good amount of boost and a good amount of energy throughout the day just to keep going. Now literally, due to the fact I've literally just had an hour session at the gym and it's now 6 AM, I need something quick and efficient when it comes to starting my day. I need something not only that's quick and efficient, but it has a good amount of protein within it. And that will last me until sort of like mid-morning. So without further ado, we are having the following for breakfast. 50 grams of blueberries, 50 grams of raspberries, 50 grams of blackberries, 100 ml of almond milk, 40 grams of oats, and a scoop of chocolate peanut butter whey. So for breakfast, as you can see, this is meal number one. Very easy recipe to make. Not only is it easy, but it's quick and efficient. We've got a good amount of protein. We've got our fruit in there. And not only that, like I said, it's going to last me literally very easily up until my mid-morning snack. For me, this is the perfect kind of meal because, like I said, I need something quick and efficient. And I need something with a good amount of protein. So by having a scoop of whey within my porridge and fruits and a cup of coffee, you literally can't go wrong. So yeah, meal number one. By the way guys, if you're free in this channel, please feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe. This year we're looking to hit that 1K mark by the end of 2024. Last year the aim was to get 500 subscribers. We almost got there, So this year we're pushing the boat out a bit further. We're looking to hit that 1K mark. So if you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe right about now. So for my mid-morning snack, this meal is what I like to call the protein buster. Simply due to the fact that it is packed with protein. For someone like myself who's looking to pack on as much muscle from now until say April, May time, protein is a key source within my ingredients when I'm cooking my meals. So without further ado, for my mid-morning snack, we are having the following. 2 eggs, 100 grams of egg whites, 50 grams of unsmoked bacon lardons, some mushrooms, some grated cheese, and a lot of spinach. Literally, these meals are so simple and basic to make, but yet they're effective and efficient. So without further ado, let's dive into my mid-morning snack. Although I've labelled this as a snack within this full day of eating, you can literally categorize it as a full-blown meal. The amount of good stuff containing within this one plate is actually unbelievable. Just have a look at that, guys. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. And for a mid-morning snack, this definitely will last me until lunchtime. There's no question about it. Packed with protein, this meal is highly recommended to those who are looking to either bulk or gain any form of lean muscle. It's not only an easy recipe, but it can be done literally within 5 to 10 minutes. So throughout the day, I like to break up my protein sources. So far for breakfast, we had literally within my meal, we had the protein whey. For my mid-morning snack, we had the eggs with the egg whites and the bacon lardons. So when it comes to lunch, we are going for something a little bit more different. We're going for some salmon, a bag of vegetables, and literally half an avocado. Again, it's not rocket science to make. Literally what we're going to do, we're going to season the salmon, put it in the air fryer as opposed to the oven. Again, with the vegetables, they're literally microwavable vegetables, so you can literally put them in the microwave and literally within 3 minutes done and dusted. And with the avocado, we're literally going to use half an avocado. Again, packed with volume, good source of protein. So yeah, lunch, let's dive straight in. If you're a salmon lover like me, literally you cannot go wrong by having it with vegetables and avocado. Look at the way the vegetable and the salmon is piping with steam. It's a beautiful meal. You've got your fatty fish, your fats, your healthy fats in terms of avocado, and you've got your vegetables. Keeping the protein fairly high, but again, not overdoing it with the amount of portions within the plate. This again has a good amount of volume that will literally last me until my afternoon snack just before dinner. And for someone who's looking to build muscle, this is a perfect lunch meal for me. So yeah, lunch. So my good people, when it comes to the afternoon snack just before dinner time, I like to be a little bit more creative. This meal right here is what I call a game changer. Reason being, it's got that good source of protein, and not only that, it's got a good amount of volume. That's what you need when you're trying to bulk. You're not going for as much, food as possible, what they call dirty bulking, which is not really for me, so to speak. We're going for foods that are packed with nutrition, packed with protein, and will literally make you feel full as much as possible. So without further ado, we are having the following things within this wrap. 2 wholemeal tortilla wraps, lean turkey mince, half an avocado, some salad, and some chili con carne beans. And not only that, to finish it off, we're going to sprinkle that little bit of grated cheese on it just to give it that oomph. This meal for me for today is literally my favourite. So without further ado, let's dive into our afternoon snack. And there you have it, 2 wholemeal wraps served with turkey mince, cheese, salad, chili con carne kidney beans, served with avocado on the side. Now, when it comes to bulking or bodybuilding, by the way, I'm not a bodybuilder, let me just get it fairly clear, straight out there. But when it comes to bulking, lean bulking or muscle building, the following meal comes up time and time again. The reason why I've included it within my full day of eating is because I like it. It's not because if you go on the net when it comes to bodybuilding or bulking or lean bulking, it comes up time and time again, so you have to eat it. I generally put it in my full day of eating literally because I like it and it's effective. So without further ado, for dinner we are having the following. 250 grams of broccoli florets, 220 grams of chicken breasts, and 80 grams of sweet potatoes. Okay, my good people, that's all from me today in terms of my full day of eating for the first one of 2024. Like I previously said, if you're free in this channel, please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe. Add me up on the socials, the Instagram, the TikToks, and the Twitters. The name is Ron Official. The links are literally below in the description. But until next time, stay blessed, stay motivated, get them gains.
Wait, lost a ball, keep it in the right place, we'll hope it rolls. Exchange for gains. Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.